Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see about the starters which is used for the induction machines. So the first one, stator resistance starter. So what is starter? By adjusting the voltage during the starting, the current drawn by the motor and the torque developed by the motor can be reduced as well as controlled. The main objective to limit the starting current. That is the main objective. So what are the function of starter, which is used to start and stop the motor, which is easily and quickly. And we have to limit the inrush current. The inrush current is nothing but starting current when if it is necessary. And you can permit automatic control when it is required by the machine. And we can protect the motor and other connected equipment from over voltage, no voltage, under voltage, or single phasing, etc. So there are different types of starters which is used for the induction machine. So out of which there are 4 types of starter which is used for the squirrel gauge induction motor and one starter which is used for slip ring induction motor. So the primary resistance starter or stator resistance starter, direct online starter, auto transformer starter, star delta starter. So these 4 starter which is used for the squirrel gauge induction motor and the rotor resistance starter which is used for the slip ring induction motor. And this is the stator resistance starter. This is the schematic diagram, circuit diagram of stator resistance starter. So this induction machine, it contains stator as well as rotor. So this is nothing but stator and it is nothing but a rotor. Okay. So here this stator is star connected and the rotor is made up of squirrel gauge. And the rotor is made up of squirrel gauge. So in this stator 3 phase, so there are 3 winding: R phase winding, Y phase winding, and B phase winding. Okay, so all the phases which is connected with the R phase winding, Y phase winding, and B phase winding through this variable resistance. It is nothing but which is called starting resistance, So at the time of starting, the rheostat position is in maximum resistive position, so that the reduced current will be applied to the stator. So the motor speed is also very slow. When you are adjusting the rheostat to the maximum position into the minimum position, if you are reducing the resistive value, the current which is applied to the stator gets increases. Once the current which is given to the stator is increases, so proportionally the speed is also gets increases. Okay, so this type of resistance which is used to reduce the starting current which is applied to the stator of 3-phase induction machine. And these are the few advantages as well as disadvantages. The advantages are it is very smooth acceleration. The acceleration will be very smooth and high power factor during the starting and less expensive compared to the other type of starters like auto transformer starter. And closed transition starting up to 7 accelerating points are available. And what is the major disadvantage? Resistors, it gives off heat under starting conditions because the majority of current will be converted into heat. And low torque efficiency and starting duration usually exceed the preset value, and starting voltage is difficult to adjust, that cannot be adjusted, but during the applied voltage can be adjustable. And this is an assessment. While using stator resistance starter with the 3-phase induction motor, the resistance of the starter are kept at whether it's maximum position or minimum position or half of the maximum value or none of these. Okay, and the second one, which of the following function is served by the resistance placed in the parallel with the other phase of three-phase induction motor? For smooth starting, for higher starting torque, for higher maximum torque, for higher reduced starting torque. So put your answer in the comment section, and these are the few references. Thank you.